Good morning, everybody. So today we are going to pick up the new Scion XB. I went to the junkyard yesterday, didn't make a video because my phone was overheating because it was 103. So last video, I broke the cover. When I get paid next, I'll go buy some more of the plastic and make it fit. And then might have to get the OEM gas cap so I can use the TRD cap cover so you can see that through when I make it. Finds I got, this one is the stock Scion XB switch. I picked up 2 of the Toyota Matrix switches. I got them currently on Facebook Market for 40 bucks each. So if you need one, let me know. 40 bucks. And then what else did I get? I got this switch. Nobody uses an iPod anymore, but it'll fill in the gap in the center console that, because I have the aux, this will fill in the gap, and then I gotta find that illuminate switch. So I'm trying to get all of the switches and panels covered because I believe mine is like a base model. Like I said, I'm still new to Scion. And then I got this Silica GTS shifter. So I'm going to do this mod to the automatic shifter and get rid of that ugly shifter. So I will make a video on it, but I will be taking my time because I don't want to mess up, because I know you gotta cut, and if you mess up, then you're done. So if anything, I might go back to Pick and Pull and buy a stock Scion setup, practice on that, mount it and everything, and if it works, I'll just swap them over. So I don't want to mess up my only one I have. So yeah, and oh yeah, and I got this. So this is from a 08, the newer model body style, 2nd gen, I guess you would call them, Scion XB. So just the front dome lights, or not dome, but yeah, I guess you call them dome light. So we got to wire it, cut the headliner, pop it in. It has these little spring style, so just pop it in. So you got to cut just enough to where it'll lock. And then I gotta put LED bulbs in here, get the wire to run it, and then I'll have more light in the XB. So, all right, let me go and head outside, and we'll wait for Chris. Then we're gonna go pick up the truck for my sisters, get the trailer, pick up the car, and that'll be the gameplay for the day. So I picked up the XB. It was a work car. It's going to be a mission to clean out, but we'll get it all. So issue with the gas pedal, he was saying. We'll figure everything out with this. It's automatic. We'll detail the whole car like we did with Danny's XB. We'll make this thing shine, get it all nice and perfect, and be good to go. So looks like everything's there. Like I said, we're going to detail this whole car. We're going to make it look shiny. So we got a key fob I need to program, or the lock and unlock. Got one key, no battery, so I can jump it. Sounds like he was saying it's over a head gasket. So we'll check it out. But yeah, we got ourselves an XB. Let's make it to the house and we'll get this cleaned up, fix all the gaskets. I know one of these gaskets was popping up. I'll have to fix that. But it'll be a fun project for Benny. So we'll have 2 XBs at the house now. Quick walk around. This is Chris's cousin's car who let me borrow his trailer. Beautiful Impala. Custom everything. Costs as much as a house. Now back to cleaning the XB. So this is the XB. So the grill was then even put on. Luckily we didn't lose it on the way here. It was literally just sitting here. Wasn't even, didn't have the clips. So I had to put clips in here. But yeah, I'm probably gonna take this grill, give him the BB. The rear bumper, like I'm getting a body kit, so the rear bumper, front bumper will all go in here. He'll get the fog lights. We'll just clean these headlights. Power wash the engine, clean all this out. I need to find out what are these, because I'm not sure if these are from this car or not. But it looks like the top was taken off, and I do have extra of these screws, so we'll go ahead and do that in the next video. We'll do a full deep clean, make this look brand new. We'll test run it with my jumper, and then I gotta put this here. Like I said, this is, it looks like ass, but for now it's gonna be great for him, and plus he can come to car stuff with me. Gosh, you guys' interior really dirty. It has original floor mat on that side and that, but not on the passenger sides. But it has this, dude. I'm like, that's what's up. That cover, that is awesome. He has that. No headrest, so we'll have to go to the junkyard, get headrests. We'll figure out something that we need. There's a cover. Door cover. We need to get this panel for the fuses. We gotta get this covered. It has traction control. It is no cruise control. The deck, I'm not worried about. I'm pull that out and put a doubled in like I have in mine. There's no special features for anything there, but it is dirty. It is fucking dirty. But we'll get everything getting new. So I'm getting new seats for mine, so that works out. I'm gonna give him my seats. So like everything from my car is coming out because I'm doing complete change up, and he'll get all this. This steering wheel, if it's not good enough, I'll swap it with mine, and then he'll have my steering wheel. We'll throw on the Toyota Matrix switch. But yeah, so next video we're gonna take this whole car apart inside and detail it all the way. So I just wish all the floor mats are here, because it's kind of cool seeing the OEM floor mats. So it looks like it was a business car. You can see, like, where's it at? Things on the door. Yeah, so it's like a company is here. I'm not worried about these taillights. I'm gonna give him mine because I want other taillights for mine. He'll get my rear bumper. Build with this will be, I'm gonna go TRD. So TRD exhaust, TRD intake, TRD wheels. I'm gonna do probably carbon hood or hood for his. We'll probably do a carbon trunk and spoiler. I just want to make this one more of a sporty look, even though it's not. And then is this stickers? I think I can. That's paint. So this car, that's not the original color. This car was white. So this looks like a Mako paint. That's fine. I'd like to make it back to white actually, if possible. But maybe this will be the first car I wrap. So we'll sand everything down and wrap it. Make this first car on the channel wrap. But yeah, I'm stoked. So it'll be a fun car to learn, and it's all stock. That's the best part. But we're gonna power wash this and really get into it. I'll have to do the transmission, oil cooler. It has a Mishimoto? No way. Or am I tripping? No. Okay, we'll do that. And radiator, Mishimoto radiator, oil cooler, and transmission cooler, just like we have on the bento box, and we'll be set. So, all right, guys, gonna go and surprise my stepson. Let him see his car. Call it a day. And then I gotta go put this back in storage, because I'm not gonna drive that till later. And then put the Lexus here, bento box stays on the sidewalk because that's my daily. And then Infinity is always here. So yeah, and I gotta take this off. Paint sand and paint this back to black. And then put it back on because it is coming loose. So yeah. So, alright y'all. See you guys in the next video.